Hello, in today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix error code ban 152 in Valorant. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. Open Windows Services Manager by searching services.msc. At the Stars menu, selecting any service to activate this pane. Typing VCG, allocate the VCG or Vanguard service. On right-clicking it to access its properties. Set the startup type to automatic in the Properties window. Hit Apply. Then start the service after. Click off and close the Services window. If the issue persists, use the Windows command prompt. Open Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click the application, then run as administrator. Type SC, delete, VGK at the command prompt. Hit Enter. Then type other command, SC, delete, VCG, then Enter. Exit command prompt. Open the Start menu. Navigate to Control panel. Select and install a program under Programs. Look for Riot Vanguard in the Programs and Features window. At the upper right, search bar. And then right-click on the application to uninstall it. Run Valorant application as administrator. This reinstalls Riot Vanguard. Restart PC. An error code ban 152 is finally resolved. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.